AI is the biggest opportunity we've seen in years. So why are most people still not making any money with it? It's not because they don't have access to the tools. We all have access. The real reason is that they're building the wrong things. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why most AI side hustles fail, and more importantly, what actually scales long-term, so you can build something that lasts. Let's get into it. Most beginners fall into something I call the tool trap. You've probably seen this happen. They watch a bunch of top 10 AI tools videos, get excited, and sign up for 5 different platforms. They might test everything out for a week, maybe generate some images or write a few articles. But then, when nothing explodes overnight, they quit. They get discouraged and move on to the next shiny thing. The fundamental mistake here is confusing access with leverage. Having access to a powerful AI tool doesn't automatically create income. What creates income are systems. If you don't have a way to get your creations in front of people, meaning traffic, or a way to consistently share them, which is distribution, or a repeatable workflow that you can execute over and over again, then the tool itself is basically useless. It's like having a race car with no racetrack and no driver. The power is there, but you have no system to apply it. AI tools are amplifiers, but if you're amplifying 0, you still get 0. You need a solid foundation first, and that foundation is a system, not just a tool. The second huge reason most AI hustles fail is the shiny object problem. It's distraction on a massive scale. One week, everyone's talking about AI dropshipping. The next week, it's all about AI trading bots. Then the week after, it's AI affiliate marketing. Every time you pivot and jump to the newest, hottest trend, you completely reset your momentum. You're constantly starting from scratch, over and over again. You never give anything enough time to actually grow. But what truly scales, what actually builds wealth, is boring. It's consistency. It's showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's compounding content, where each new piece you create builds on the last. And it's having repeatable systems that you can execute without having to reinvent the wheel every single time. Everyone wants fast money. The allure of a quick buck is strong. But scalable money, the kind that builds real freedom, is structured. It's methodical. It's built on a solid, consistent foundation, not on chasing fleeting trends. So, what actually works? How do you build something that scales with AI? It comes down to 3 key things. First, and this is the most important, distribution first. If you don't control attention, you don't control your income. It's that simple. You can create the most amazing thing in the world with AI, but if no one ever sees it, it doesn't matter. This is why building an audience on platforms like YouTube, growing an email list, or creating a community on a platform like School or Discord scales so much better than just taking on random AI gigs. When you own the distribution, you own the relationship with your audience, and that gives you control. Second, you need to focus on systems over projects. A project has a beginning and an end. You do it, you get paid, and it's over. A system, on the other hand, is designed to produce results continuously. For example, a system for content could be, generate a week's worth of ideas on Monday, produce the content Tuesday and Wednesday, and distribute it Thursday and Friday. This is a machine that keeps running. If you can build systems for idea generation, content production, and consistent distribution, you will win in the long term. It's inevitable. Finally, your monetization needs to be layered. Relying just on ads won't scale very fast. The real leverage comes from layering different income streams. This could be affiliate marketing for the tools you use, selling your own digital products like courses or templates, creating a paid community, or offering high-ticket consulting. AI amplifies all of these things. It doesn't replace the need for them. AI can help you create the products faster, manage the community more efficiently, or deliver your consulting services better. It's the engine, but you still need to build the car. So let's talk about the real opportunity with AI, because it's not what most people think. The promise isn't to make $500 in 24 hours. That's just hype designed to get clicks. The real, sustainable opportunity is this: build something once, improve it weekly, and let it compound over time. Think about it. AI dramatically reduces the effort required for each output. That means you can create more content than ever before. You can build more systems to run your business. And that gives you more leverage. But this only works if you stay focused long enough for the compounding to kick in. Compounding is like planting a tree. You don't see much growth in the first few weeks, or even the first few months. But if you keep watering it, year after year, it grows into something massive that provides shade and fruit for years to come. Most people give up on their tree before it even has a chance to sprout. Don't be that person. The true power of AI is its ability to accelerate the compounding process, but you have to stick with it. So, what's my personal approach to all this? How do I use AI? Instead of chasing every new trend and every shiny new tool that comes out, I focus on one primary channel to build my audience. For me, that's YouTube. I focus on one content system that I can repeat and refine. And I focus on one primary monetization path to start, and then I layer others on top of it. And my main job is to improve that simple system every single day. Make it a little bit better, a little more efficient. Honestly, it's boring. It's not sexy. There are no get-rich-quick hacks. But boring is what scales. Boring is what builds lasting businesses. While everyone else is jumping from one sinking ship to another, you're quietly building an unsinkable battleship. That's the difference. If you want to make real, sustainable money with AI, you have to stop chasing tools. Stop looking for the next magic button. Start building systems. The people who truly win in this new AI wave, won't be the ones who try everything and master nothing. They'll be the ones who patiently and persistently build something that compounds. They'll be the ones who focus. If you want more practical AI strategies like this, without all the hype, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as part of the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.